Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Trinidad La Trova, which is Trinidad's only La Casa de Habano edition. These come in boxes of 12. And as you can see over here, this box is from December 2023. And this box was purchased from La Casa de Habano in Panama. I go there quite often, and I always like the customer service there. They're amazing and they're always very easy to work with. As we know, all Trinidad's are long filler cigars. This is a 52 ring gauge cigar, and let me open it up. So obviously you've got all the paperwork and everything. Let me take them out. And as you can see over here, it's got all the information. So 52 ring gauge by 166 millimeters. And here you got it also in English and Spanish. So they have it in two different languages. And people always like seeing this. So if you hold it like this, it bends in. This one doesn't for some reason. Anyway, let's open this bad boy up, and there you have them. Beautiful, beautiful 52 ring gauge with a second La Casa de Habano red band. Let's take one out and show you what they look like. There you go. It's got a pigtail cap. That is stunning. These cigars are really enjoyable. They're quite long as well, which always give you a bit more of a smoking time enjoyment. And as I've said in my previous videos, Trinidad's come in boxes of 12 or 24, and this cigar specifically only comes in boxes of 12. They don't come in boxes of 24, but nonetheless this is a very impressive cigar, and a cigar that's become quite expensive over the last couple of years. But nonetheless, if you know the right places to find them, they come at a good price and they're very enjoyable. They're cigars which I personally have smoked a couple of times before. This is a brand new box. I intend on aging this one because Trinidad cigars in general, when they are aged, they taste better. So I will leave this one for a couple of years until I'll enjoy them. But nonetheless, these are incredible cigars, cigars which I immensely enjoy, and cigars that I can't wait to crack open. What I usually do is I buy a box of the cigars, and then I also buy a few singles. Unfortunately with this one I couldn't do it, but I buy a few singles and then I smoke the singles and leave the box to age. That way I can enjoy it much more. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's close this box up. Thank you for watching.